Hey everybody, we're here with the Gravedigger, Wesley's monster truck. You want to tell them about your monster truck, bud? No? Do you want to drive it in the mud? We got this camera that can hook up to the truck now and get some cool pictures of it slinging mud. You want to do that at least? Yeah. Anyway, here's this truck that we built. It started a life as a Gravedigger Power Wheels. It's still electric, but you can see it's got a little bit of modification. Some of you guys might have seen this on the Modified Power Wheels Facebook group. But yeah, so we're running a East Coast Power Up ESC. Right now we got dual Milwaukee XC 8.0s in here. Got a couple different sets we run. They don't last too long. This thing likes to suck down juice. So yeah, without further ado, we'll hook this camera up and get some action shots. All right, you ready to send it, Wes?
Yeah.
We'll try that again. All right, bud. Try that. It might bounce around a little. Check it out. A couple of laps, a little bit of mud on there. You like tearing up the yard, Wes? Yeah, that's what that does. What do you call it? I don't know how much. Over there, definitely not going to have grass. It's not too bad though, bud. All right, you want to move the camera and get some more shots? Awesome. I don't know. Let's see. I'll help you out with it. Don't worry.
I'm gonna go over there.
Where are you coming up?
I'm gonna go.
Alright, here, do you want to go backwards? Go backwards, you're going to burn it up. Come back here and we'll go through the water. Keep going back. Alright, I'll go slowly. You're good. Where are you going? Wrong way. There, alright. Can you back up just a little bit? I think you can get out of this. I don't know if you need more help. Turn that way. Yeah, and if you go forward.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out our video today. We had a lot of fun making it. Hopefully you guys had fun watching it. If you guys want to see more modified Power Wheels content and other stuff we got going on in the shop, make sure you give us a like, a subscribe, follow the channel here. If you guys are interested in some parts for your Gravedigger, we do sell these springs, and I'm happy to help you guys with questions and what you might have on modifying your own. So hit me up in the comments or find me on Instructables, and hope to see you guys out there modifying your Power Wheels. Take it easy, guys.